Hi, this is János, it's Real World Audio, and it's time to get prepared. Why? Because the month of October is coming and I'm going to make a lot of videos in October. As you noticed, in the past month I could make only very few videos, but now just be prepared because I plan on making at least one video every day in October. Maybe not making one, but putting out a video every day, maybe more than one. So just be forewarned and prepared that a lot is coming in October. I will also have a lot of live sessions, and when, do not ask yet. I will say in October, because at this moment I'm still in a very, very busy period of my life, and it will be in October when I will be able to plan for time out. As of now I cannot do that yet, but starting this weekend I will give you more information, and I will see you in the next episode, and let's see what comes. Right now I'm making this video with my camera because on the OBS studio on the PC it has some driver issues, or I don't know what, maybe OBS issues, because even though the microphone is picking up signal at the right level, and when I record directly with the test cam it's also right level, and OBS Studio doesn't wanna export it in any useful sound file at all. So it's just that atrocious bad sound that you heard at the last video, and even that is after rescuing the sound. So at this point it's really like I couldn't really make videos with this computer. However, in the month of October I will be using a new computer, and that's thanks to your phenomenal contribution through Buy Me a Coffee, and yep, I really that really helped a lot. So I could finally upgrade my computer to a much better computer, which is not a PC, and it's not bugged anymore, and this exact same microphone there makes very good sound quality recording. So it's not the mic, but it's the lovely beloved PC that has been given me just so much unimaginable torture trying to make that work for YouTube videos, that it's also been a big driver of why you saw so few videos from me, because technology was just completely like, as in Little Britain, computer says no. That's been the motto of this year for my channel, trying to make videos, and really I'm trying to break the spell here with your help through Buy Me a Coffee. That was really instrumental that I could get the computer that I wanted, and that I hope that it will make the difference. And I did a few tests already, and it really looks like it's making a really big difference, and it will be revealed in October, and hopefully I will be able to share a lot of really wonderful things with you. And until then, a big thank you to all for supporting me and this little channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.